Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In this video, I will show you how to wire a smart switch. There are all different kinds of smart switches, but most require that you have to have a ground wire and a neutral wire in order to make the device work. So when you open up your switch box, you want to identify all your wires, even your hot and load wires, because on smart switches, you have to wire these to specific leads as well. Use your presence tester to figure out which one is your hot wire. Once you find that, you can turn the circuit breaker off. Now go ahead and mark each wire. You can use white electrical tape to help you, or most times smart switches will come with labels in the box. Now that you have marked the ground, neutral, hot, and load, you are ready to wire up the device. Connect each wire to the corresponding label. Then screw back on the device and turn the breaker back on. Access the app on your phone and connect the device. Now you'll be able to do all kinds of neat things with the light from your phone or Alexa device if you have one. No more needless walking to turn on a light. Just yell at Alexa or program a specific time for them to come on. Or just do it from your phone while sitting on the couch. Enjoy all your options. For more help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician for more help.